How to cut your ThermaDoor insulation panels. First, remove the required panels from the box and place them on the floor or a flat stable workbench. With the vinyl side facing up, mark the height required on each end of the first panel. Place the cutting board gently onto the two marks. Using a utility knife, cut only just deep enough to cut through the vinyl face. Continue the same process along the panel 2 to 3 more times, cutting slightly deeper each pass. Repeat this measuring and cutting process for each of the panels required. Working off the factory cut edge and using the roofing square and the fine pencil, mark the end of the first panel either square or out of square. Place the roofing square onto the two pencil marks and with the utility knife, cut lightly into the vinyl face of the panel. Slightly undercut the panels as most vertical mullions and each door section may not be bent to 90 degrees. Now you can measure and mark the required length at the top and bottom of the panel. Place the roofing square on the two pencil marks and cut the panel as per the other end. Continue the same process until all panels and each door section are cut to size.